Hey everyone, I'm just in my kitchen today getting ready to make a protein smoothie. This is just a really basic one that I make a lot. It's really easy to change up by adding different ingredients, and it's one that my husband probably makes even more than I do. He uses it as a recovery shake after he lifts weight. Here you can see the ingredients I'm going to use in the protein shake. We have a little bit of ice and some protein powder. I like to use Morelli Fit. Sometimes I would use the vanilla flavor, but I'm out of that right now, so I'm just going to use the chocolate instead. You can use your favorite type of milk. Today I'm going to be using coconut milk, the unsweetened variety. I've got some natural peanut butter and a banana. You can see here that I've added all my ingredients to my NutriBullet cup, and I'm getting ready to blend it. I have about a scoop of the Morelli Fit protein powder, chocolate flavor, a cup of the coconut milk, about 2 tablespoons of the peanut butter, and about a cup of ice, and about 1 banana. So I'm getting ready to mix it all up. As you can see, my peanut butter protein shake is all frothy and delicious, and I'm gonna pour it in this nice glass because sometimes it's just fun to do that. I think it makes it taste even more delicious and special. We'll get it right to the top. Cheers.